Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what many consider the best dryer vent window insert on the market, the Daisypower Dryer Vent Window Kit. If you're tired of dealing with ineffective dryer vents, annoying drafts, or pests sneaking in through your exhaust, this product promises to solve those problems with ease and efficiency. The Daisypower Dryer Vent Window Kit is designed to fit most sliding windows, both vertical and horizontal, with adjustable panels that can extend from 16 to 47 inches wide. This flexibility makes it a perfect fit for a wide range of window sizes, ensuring you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. Installation is straightforward, allowing you to set it up quickly without needing any special tools or drilling. One of the standout features is the 4-inch round exhaust duct outlet, which matches standard dryer vent hoses perfectly. The kit includes multiple seals to keep everything airtight. There's an aluminum tape that insulates the gap between the hose and vent cover, a clamp to secure the hose firmly, and a self-adhesive foam sealing strip that provides excellent insulation. This combination effectively minimizes air leakage, helping to maintain indoor comfort while allowing your dryer to vent efficiently. Outside, the vent cover is thoughtfully designed with louvers and a screen. This feature prevents rain, snow, wind, and dust from entering your dryer vent system while still allowing air to flow freely. Additionally, the screen acts as a guard against birds, rodents, and other unwanted pests, protecting your vent from blockages and potential damage. If you find the lint buildup inside the mesh problematic, the design lets you easily remove the mesh for cleaning, preventing accumulation. The entire unit is built to last, weighing about 2 pounds and measuring 17 by 7 by 2 inches, making it compact yet durable enough to handle outdoor elements. It's not just for dryers either. This vent kit is versatile enough to be used with portable air conditioners, bathroom vents, kitchen fans, and various exhaust fans. That makes it a multi-purpose solution for many home ventilation needs. Because of its tight sealing and effective outdoor protection, this vent kit also helps reduce noise levels from your dryer or ventilation system, contributing to a quieter home environment. Whether you're installing it in a high-traffic urban area or a windy rural location, the kit's design holds up well against the elements. In summary, the Daisypower Dryer Vent Window Kit offers an adjustable, secure, and weather-resistant solution to window dryer venting problems. Its ease of installation, effective sealing, and protective outdoor vent cover make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade or replace their current dryer vent setup. If you want reliable airflow, better insulation, and protection from the elements and pests, this kit has it all. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product reviews.